When we think about portrait drawing, most of the time we will talk about the face proportions and the facial perspective. Undoubtedly, they are both crucial, but there's one key factor that are impacting the portrait drawing as well. I will illustrate it to you via the drawing process to explain how and why it can impact your drawing. In the video, you can see I slightly tilted the head to the right so that the eyes can create a sense of dynamic line in composition. This looks more dynamic than a parallel flow. Now, we know it is composition which will have a big influence on your portrait drawing. The dynamic line is one of the key items of composition. By creating more dynamic lines, we can make a vibrant composition. But how to do it? Let's keep on watching and I will explain it soon. Other parts of the body will play a crucial role for composition. Why? Because they can form different dynamic lines. Hand is a good one to create the dynamic line. There is another body part that is probably the best one to be used for dynamic line. I will show you later. Can you say what kind of dynamic line it is creating in the video? The dynamic line is indicated by the red line. It's creating a contrast with another flow trend. About drawing hand, I'm drawing a rectangular box to represent the palm, and some simple lines to represent the bones of fingers. By this way, it's easier to identify any mistakes about the size and the perspective of the hand. It looks like a robot hand at the moment. Using rubber to clean the lines. We actually don't need to do this for digital drawing, but drawing on paper gives me a pleasant experience too. I feel I'm crafting something by my hands. Digital drawing is fun to me as well. By the way, I'm just wondering if you guys like pencil drawing or digital drawing. Please let me know in the comments below. So far, I have created more than 2 dynamic lines. Can you see what they are? Let's count how many dynamic lines we can create in the end of the video and how they will make the drawing stunning. Now, let me show you the best body part for creating the dynamic lines. It is hair, as literally it can flow to any directions. For drawing the hair, it will be easier if you could create a few main flows first, and then we can start adding minor flows and the details of the hair. For the hair drawing, there are a lot of other things to talk about. I will explain them in another video. After drafting the hair, we can start finalizing the facial features. All dynamic lines have been created so far. Can you tell how many we have got and how they make the drawing very interesting? Just think about it, and we will count them together soon. We are reaching the easy step now, after lining the sketch draft. This is my favorite part of the drawing, as more details are created. After the line arts, we can add some shading to make the drawing more three-dimensional. You will see the drawing will be very different in the end. Since this drawing style is semi-realistic, I won't add too much shading on it. Last step, fine-tuning some parts. Now, let's pause the video and count the dynamic lines we get. You can leave the number of the flows you can see in the comments below. Let's give us 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now, let's see how many dynamic lines we have got. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. We basically have got 12 main dynamic lines. Have you got it right? How do they make the portrait drawing stunning? One of the key reasons is they are creating dynamic sensation. Various directional flow trends can impart a sense of dynamism to the composition, making viewers feel the movement and the changes among elements in the image. There are also a number of other things that can be discussed about the composition. If you are interested in it, please let me know in the comments below. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next one. Happy drawing, bye!